If you're over 50 and haven't thought much about your prostate, listen, it's time to put your health first.
Here's what you need to know. 1 in 2 men will experience prostate issues by age 70. But here's the encouraging part. Most prostate problems are completely manageable when you catch them early. Most men don't even know what their prostate does, let alone what warning signs to watch for. They wait until there's a real problem and then panic. I'm showing you 5 early warning signs your prostate is asking for attention, signs that often go ignored because men don't know what they mean. And if you stay until the end, I'll share the everyday habits that support prostate health naturally. Plus, what some men choose to do about it when lifestyle changes alone aren't enough. This isn't fear. This is knowledge. And knowledge is power when it comes to men's health. Let's talk about something most men avoid. First, let's demystify the prostate because most men couldn't describe it if you asked. Your prostate is a walnut-sized gland that's part of your reproductive system. Its main job? Produce fluid that nourishes and protects sperm. That's it. It's essential for fertility and sexual function. But most of us never think about it until something goes wrong. Here's what happens after 50. Your prostate naturally begins to change. This is completely normal biology, not a disease, it's just your body aging. Specifically, the cells in your prostate can begin to grow at a slightly faster rate. Medical research shows that about 50% of men in their 60s, 70% of men in their 70s, and 90% of men over 80 have some level of prostate enlargement. These are normal numbers, not emergency numbers. This enlargement is called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. The word benign is important. It means non-cancerous. Your prostate is just getting bigger due to natural aging and hormonal changes, especially changes in testosterone and DHT levels. Why is this important to understand? Because when your prostate enlarges, it can put pressure on your urethra, the tube that carries urine from your bladder out of your body. When that tube gets squeezed by an enlarging prostate, it causes symptoms. And here's what most men don't know. Catching these symptoms early and paying attention to them can help you manage prostate health before it becomes a real problem. The good news: the majority of prostate changes are manageable. Your doctor can monitor it. Lifestyle changes help tremendously. And if needed, there are safe, effective options available. This is why knowing the 5 signs matters. Not to scare you, but to empower you to take action early when action is most effective. Here are 5 signs that your prostate might be asking for attention. If you're experiencing one or more of these, it's worth having a conversation with your doctor. Sign number 1. Frequent urination, especially at night. This is the most common early sign. You find yourself getting up multiple times at night to urinate maybe 2, 3, 4 times. You might also notice you're going to the bathroom more frequently during the day. Why this happens? As your prostate enlarges, it narrows the urethra. Your bladder has to work harder to push urine through that narrower opening. Your bladder becomes irritable, signaling urgency even when it doesn't contain much urine. Here's the distinction. Frequent urination can have many causes. Diabetes, UT is drinking too much fluid. But if it's specifically happening more at night and is a new pattern for you, that's worth noting. Sign number 2, weak urine stream. Your urinary stream isn't as strong as it used to be. Instead of a forceful stream, it's more of a trickle. It takes longer to empty your bladder. You might have to stand longer or push harder to urinate. Why this happens? Remember, the enlarged prostate is squeezing your urethra. Less space means weaker flow. It's like a garden hose being partially kinked. The water still comes out, but with less pressure. Sign number 3, difficulty starting to urinate. You need to push or strain to begin urinating. There's a delay between when you feel the urge and when urination actually starts. This is your bladder working against the resistance created by the narrowed urethra. Sign number 4, inability to completely empty your bladder. After you finish urinating, you still feel like there's urine left. You might dribble a bit afterward. This happens because the pressure from the enlarged prostate prevents complete emptying. Your bladder has to work harder and still doesn't fully release. Sign number 5, urinary urgency. You suddenly get the urgent need to urinate, even when your bladder isn't very full. This sensation can be strong and sudden, interrupting conversations, waking you from sleep, or striking while you're trying to focus on work. Important context. Having one of these signs doesn't mean emergency. Prostate enlargement is gradual. These symptoms develop over months or years, not overnight. But here's why paying attention matters. Your urologist can monitor your prostate, measure how much it's enlarged, and assess your symptoms' severity. Early detection means better management options and better outcomes. When to see a doctor? If you notice any of these signs for more than a few weeks, mention it at your next doctor's appointment. You don't need to panic, just inform your healthcare provider. Your doctor can do a simple screening, which usually includes a digital rectal exam, not pleasant but quick, and a PSA blood test. These give your doctor a clear picture of your prostate health. Don't suffer in silence thinking this is just aging. Millions of men manage prostate symptoms effectively. You can too. If you're over 50, you should definitely be aware of these signs. Hit that like button if this information is valuable. It helps us reach more men who need to know this. And subscribe, because we're covering men's health topics that doctors wish more patients understood. Now let's talk about what actually supports prostate health. Here's the encouraging truth. There are real, practical habits you can start today that support prostate health naturally. Habit number 1, hydration, but with timing. Strategy: drink enough water throughout the day, but front-load it. Drink most of your water earlier in the day and taper off by evening. This reduces nighttime bathroom trips while keeping you properly hydrated. Why this matters? Proper hydration supports overall urinary tract health, but constant fluid intake before bed worsens nighttime urination. Habit number 2, dietary choices matter. Research consistently shows that certain foods support prostate health. Tomatoes contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Fatty fish, like salmon, omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation. Nuts and seeds, zinc and selenium minerals crucial for prostate function. Leafy greens reduce inflammation throughout your body. Reduce red meat and processed foods. These increase inflammation. Think Mediterranean diet, lots of vegetables, healthy fats, lean proteins. This pattern supports prostate health and overall cardiovascular health. Habit number 3, regular physical activity. Men who exercise regularly have better prostate health outcomes. Even 30 minutes of moderate exercise, most days walking, swimming, cycling, makes a measurable difference. Exercise reduces inflammation, helps maintain healthy weight, and improves urinary function. Habit number 4, maintain a healthy weight. Obesity is linked to worse prostate symptoms. If you're overweight, losing even 5 to 10% of your body weight can significantly improve urinary symptoms. Habit number 5, reduce alcohol and caffeine before bed. Both are bladder irritants. They increase urination frequency and can worsen nighttime symptoms. Limiting them, especially in the evening, helps. What about supplements? For many men, these lifestyle habits are enough, but research also shows that some men benefit from additional prostate support supplements. Some men choose to add targeted prostate supplements containing ingredients like saw palmetto, traditionally used for urinary health, beta-sitosterol, plant compound that supports healthy urinary flow, zinc and selenium, essential minerals for prostate function. These supplements don't replace medical care or doctor consultation, but they're a tool some men use alongside lifestyle changes. Important disclaimer: supplements are not FDA-approved drugs. They support prostate health but aren't cures. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplement, especially if you're taking medications. If lifestyle changes alone aren't delivering the results you want, and your doctor agrees, some men choose to explore supplement support. The key is, start with lifestyle. If you need additional support, explore options with your doctor's guidance. Your action steps. This week, pick one habit, drink water earlier in the day, add one prostate-supporting food to your meals, or commit to 30 minutes of movement. Start small. Build from there. Drop a comment and tell me, which of these 5 signs resonates with you? Don't be shy, men's health conversations matter, and your comment might help another guy realize he needs to talk to his doctor. And if you're going to make one lifestyle change this week, let me know which one in the comments. I read every single one. Here's what I want you to remember. Prostate changes after 50 are normal, but they're worth paying attention to. You don't have to suffer through symptoms thinking it's just part of aging. You can take action starting with the lifestyle habits we discussed, talking to your doctor about screening, and exploring options if needed. If you're over 50 and haven't had a prostate screening in the last year, schedule one. A simple conversation with your doctor takes 10 minutes and gives you clarity. Subscribe to this channel because we're covering men's health topics honestly and thoroughly. We don't hype or exaggerate, we educate. Take care of yourself. Your health matters, and you deserve to feel your best after 50. See you in the next video.